Alexandra, I am on 72nd and Dodge right now. Let's give you a live look at the roads here. I can definitely tell you can see here. It honestly, good news here. It doesn't look like what we've been through. I can definitely say that. If you look at the roads here, most of the roads here in the metro have been clear for the most part. At least Dodge, the main thoroughfares here have been really clear. But I can tell you several other roads we've been seeing have been full of slush, been full of snow, been full of ice. We were downtown leaving Burlington Station earlier, and many of those roads, especially there in the old market, haven't been plowed yet, or really, even if they have been plowed, I should say, they are still full of snow and slush and ice. Also, I will say for the most part, traffic in this area has been clear. You know, here near 72nd and Dodge, around this time of day would be full of traffic, but clearly, because of that snow, many people have been leaving work early or didn't go to work at all today as well. So traffic moving through here through the center of the city pretty well as well. Roads are pretty clear as well. And as we come back here on me, I do want to toss it to my colleague Michelle Bandur, who is live with more coverage on weather this afternoon.
Thanks, Delon. Yeah, here at 13th and William Street, we are feeling and seeing the drizzle coming down. It's gathering here on my coat. I can feel it on my face. As Sean said, the temperature is right about freezing, so we're not seeing a lot of slick spots yet, but people are being careful here on 13th Street. However, the condition of 13th Street really isn't that great. It looks like there may have been one pass of snowplows through here. There's still a lot of snow here on the street. In this neighborhood, actually, the sidewalks are much clearer than the streets here. As for the driving, people are, just driving through here as though it's a normal day. Again, though, as Sean said, as those temperatures dip, we might have some freezing spots with this drizzle that's coming down now. But as you're making your way home, of course, you just have to be careful and watch out for this drizzle as it starts to freeze. The high winds have not started yet, so it's really not too cold outside. It doesn't feel too bad here. Reporting live, Michelle Bandur, KETV Newswatch 7.
All right, Michelle.